we literally are in a human snow globe right now. It is so magical because these two chose this date almost a year ago, 11 months ago, and they didn't have a crystal ball. They just knew the place where they wanted to unite and to celebrate that unification. And the Lord has blessed us and turned this into a celebration that will never be forgotten.
Kenz, you are the light in the room, in my mind, in my life, and brighten the path to the future I vow to you today. There are a million things I look forward to with you, but I look no further because the most important thing is standing right in front of me. This dress, your hair, and bright blue eyes are all I've ever dreamed of. Your lack of flaw and attention to detail never goes unnoticed and will leave this everlasting smile on my face.
You like it?
Yeah.
Very me, huh?
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, I have a little gift for you.
Oh, wow.
Some of my favorite memories with you are right over there, skiing behind you, creating figure eights on some freshly groomed corduroy. I have immense trust in you to lead the way, as I'll always be there to support you, to challenge you, to comfort you.
You like it?
I give you my heart, my soul, and my full attention as we continue to grow closer as family. Love you.
Chandler, when we first met in the 6th grade, I never imagined this day would come. But here we are, starting our lives together, and I couldn't be more excited to be standing in front of you today. When I was a little girl, I remember praying for God to send me the man of my dreams. Little did I know that man was right in front of me the whole time. Starting in the hallways of Ecker Hill Middle School and continuing on through high school and college, our love story has slowly been unfolding. Hi, babe.
What's going on?
Can't wait to see you.
Me too.
No matter where we are or where we will go, I know I am safe with you. You have become my best friend and the absolute joy of my life. I have learned that love is just as much a choice as it is a feeling, and today I am making the commitment to choose you all the days of my life. We have been on so many adventures together, but today is just the beginning. No matter what life throws at us, I know we will always stand together, hand in hand. I can't wait to continue chasing our dreams together and to keep finding cool thrift shops and yard sales along the way. You are my everything until the end of time, so I will tell you today and every day for the rest of our lives, I love you.
Crush that.
Chandler, if you will have their first child, Archie, come on in.
Where's this guy?
Archman! Arch!
Hey, come on.
Good boy.
It is with much pleasure and great honor that I get to now pronounce that indeed you are husband and wife. I now pronounce for the first time Mr. Chandler and Mrs. Kenzie Anderson.
I'm gonna run, let's go.
Get on in there.
Do it.
I was going to talk about Alta magic, but I think you all just experienced it, so there's not much left to say. That was indescribable, and I think most of you will probably never forget that, which is awesome.
This is sweet. God.
Kenz, you look stunning. Jan, handsome as ever. This is your day, and I can't imagine it being any more spectacular. Enjoy this time. Really soak it in. I know you are. And relish in the love from all your people here in this room. We all love you guys, and we're with you every step of the way. Cheers.
Kenzie
Kenzie was born when I was 3. From a very young age, Kenz and I developed a friendship and bond unlike any other. We have leaned on each other through every stage of life, and we have always remained each other's biggest cheerleader and best friend.
Chan and I have been best friends since our first Little League football practice as 7-year-old kids new to the state of Utah. That's 18 years of watching Chandler and Kenzie grow, both as individuals and as a couple. 18 years of watching two of the best people I know fall in love, and 18 years of having one of the best friends that I could ask for.
Chandler, thank you for being the reason that we all get to see Kenzie smile. Thank you for all the hugs, thoughtfulness, and adventure that you bring to our lives. You both are such inspiring individuals that so many people look up to, and together you are pure magic. So if you will all please raise your glasses to a lifetime of making each other smile. I love you.
To wrap this up, we know Chandler will forever be a fan of the Utes, the Ravens, and the Orioles. But Kenzie, I guarantee you this, Chandler will be your #1 fan for the rest of your lives.
For real, you guys, that was my nightmare and it turned into my absolute dream come true. And it was perfect in every way. So thank you for weathering the storms with us, for being there in all the happy times, all the bad times, and we love you guys so much.